Welcome back to Piston Racing Garage. Working on the 6HK1 motor. We're taking the head off of it and looking down the sleeve here. We removed the piston. Number 4 had no compression. The head looks pretty good. It's over here. We removed all the rockers on it. Took it off as one assembly. And here are all the parts. It's got all the rockers. Camshaft is there, all the bridges with the caps on it, all our parts are here, and we're going to go look at the piston and see what the problem was, why we had no compression. You can take a look here. We had a big hole there. Piston's even cracked. You can see the hole right there, and yeah, and that goes right through. And trying to look to see what the problem was with it. We called the injectors. We sent all the injectors to the place, and we called them today to see if he's figured out anything. We'll know tomorrow, but most likely that was just a bad injector and put a hole through that piston and cracked it as well. So here at Piston Racing Garage, we work on these big pistons, and we also work on these little ones too. But we're making horsepower all the time. Stay tuned for more.